Bahay na Bato inspired room makeover. Isang content creator na mahilig sa Philippine history at culture ang kinabiliba ng netizens matapos i-transform ang kanyang kwarto na tila bumalik sa sinaunang panahon. Siya si Lelaine Mercado, o mas kilala bilang Lilith Delario, isang 22-year-old Gen Z mula sa Batangas City. Isa sa mga hilig ni Lilith ay ang pananamit ng Filipiniana dahil sa kanyang paghanga sa kulturang Pilipino. Kaya naman, ito rin ang naging inspirasyon niya sa pagdisenyo ng kanyang kwarto.
My room was really undergoing renovations talaga. So, coincidentally, sabi ni Inay, I was free to decorate as I wish. Yung uso ngayon is yung modern minimalist. Hindi bagay sa akin yung minimalist. And then I realized, teka, kung palagi naman ako naka-Filipiniana, might as well make the room reflect what I often wear din naman on TikTok. A lot of the old things that you see in the room actually is from my mom. Her vanity, the full body mirror, the Nara table over there, yung mga lace na tablecloth din all around the room. So I just repurposed all the stuff that she didn't want anymore. For me, I just prefer this style because it's what I'm most happy in.
Bukod sa mga pinaglumaan ng kanyang nanay, marami rin sa mga dekorasyon ni Lilith ay DIY lang. Halimbawa na lang ay ang Capiz-inspired design sa likod ng kanyang kama na gawa lang sa illustration board at parchment paper.
Aside from like the DIY stuff, the other thing that I do decorate my room with is my fandom stuff. I am a big fan currently of the movie Conclave. I do enjoy like learning about history because kahit, you know, they're gone, they still live on in memory. Even if they have died, they can be immortalized through the stories that we learn about them. Our history is rich. Kahit papano, that is ours. No matter how broken, how bruised, how awful, how bloody, it is ours to protect and to preserve. Every country has their own dark history. But we also have to remember the good that also comes out of it. The togetherness, the bayanihan, the constant need to support each other as Filipinos. If we're not the ones, who else? Who else will take care of our own history?
Kaya naman ang payo ni Lilith sa mga kabataan, huwag mag-alangang i-express ang sarili at ang mga bagay na nagbibigay inspirasyon sa inyo, kahit pa kakaiba ito.
Find your niche. Find the thing that inspires you to move forward. Kahit kakaiba siya, kahit hindi siya yung mismong uso. Find something that really speaks to you, so that in some way or another, you can pass it on to another person. Even when it comes to history, when it comes to art, ang mahalaga is you find something that you are passionate about, you're willing to share with it, and you're willing to pass it on to someone else so that it can live on forever, even if you don't.